Okay, what I'm going to do real quick is show you how to vent the valve cover without welding. It's pretty simple. I've already done the catch can setup as you've seen on this car, but I added a third port because I knew I was going to come back and vent the valve cover. So what I'm going to do real quick is go ahead and pull it off, which removing the valve cover is all 10 millimeter. You'll pull the 4 off in the center, 4 off in the corner, pull the center cap up, remove the spark plugs, and then pull off 4 more, and the valve cover should come right off. Now you can see the only reason I'm going to do this without welding is because the valve cover has been recently powder coated. And I say recent, the motor's been sitting here for a year, but this is my first time taking the cover off, and you can see they just did it because there's no oil on the inside of the cover at all, and the head is extremely clean. This came from H Motors, so I've always got clean motors from them. What I'm going to do, I went ahead and marked it already. I'm going to drill this out, and I'll show you the fitting once I drill it out and why I put it there. You can see I went ahead and did the center punch and put the pilot hole. What I'm going to use is this Vibrant 10AN bulkhead fitting. It's actually for a fuel cell. So I'm going to go ahead and make this hole. I'll drill it with a 7/8 bit, get it opened up, and make sure it's a tight fit with the bulkhead fitting. Now to make room for the bulkhead bolt, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just trim this square out or rectangle out right here. There's one washer on each side. Now I'll go grab the A and wrench, tighten this down, and we should be good to go. Now what I do is I'll go ahead and get this cleaned out. I clean them out with a brake cleaner and just the air, compressed air, to make sure there's no flake inside. And since this doesn't have any oil in it, it should clean out very easily. But y'all go ahead and spray this out, blow it out, then stick it back on the car. Now that I've got that back in place, what I'll go ahead and do now is build the line, which it'll be a 90 over, and I have some extra length so it goes under the charge pipe, to a 45 at the catch can to match the other two 45s. And there you have it. I have that line all wrapped up. I added the AN bracket to keep the hoses together, as I have the back two tied together as well. And that's it.